Welcome. I'm going to do a quick video on the automatic update tool. One of the new features we are proudly working on is the appearance changer for your installer. So the installer, is just a plain blue. Now you can change it to whatever you like. Okay, so this is like a mock-up of what it will look like. Here's the title bar, here's the background, progress bar, etc. So I'm going to show you how to make some changes, and we'll see how cool we can make this look. So first off, I want to choose a dark background because I like darker. Let's see. Yeah, I like that. All right. Offsetting text color. Publisher image. Now let's go with that. Alright, now let's see. We'll go with the dark gray. Going with our dark theme here. Alright, and then speaking of dark, the progress bar, that's also included in the API, so you can go ahead and use the progress bar as well in any of your projects free of charge. Alright, so here's the progress bar color. I'm going to make this dark or light, it doesn't matter. Leave that. And then, so you can customize everything about this. The background color of the bar itself. I can make that white. I can make that transparent, which would be black because it's black behind. But as you can see, you can customize this any way you want. I could also select a image here. So I've selected a texture, and now the progress bar has this gravel texture, and you can also change the stretch, center it, tile zoom. So it's really versatile, and this is how your installer is going to look. What the customer is going to see. This is what the customer is going to see when they're installing your software. So I hope that helps. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.